Magandang araw po. So I'll be presenting our digital business kung paano po kayo magkakaroon ng additional side hustle sa inyong convenience, no? If you have your work, if you're working, if you are an OFW, if you are nasa barko or meron kang traditional business, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong isabay si Live Good. Okay? So let's start. Let's start our presentation. So by the way, ako pong inyong speaker for today, no? Coach Randy Regoña, Tubong Bicol. Pero ngayon po is nasa North Caloocan. So ako po ang team founder ng Team Attraction Worldwide and the co-founder of Magnate Alliance International and co-founder of Don Chris Mentoring Program Academy. So ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin is ano ba tong Live Good business, no, yung online. So etong presentation na to is para doon sa mga naghahanap ng side hustle online. Ikaw ba ay pagod na sa trabaho at gusto ng ibang pagkakitaan online? Or kulang ba ang kinikita mo at naghahanap ka ng additional side hustle? Or gusto mong magsimula ng online business pero di alam kung paano gagawin? And ikaw ba'y empleyado, full-time mom, OFW, seafarer, or negosyante na gustong matuto ng digital marketing online? So this presentation is for you. Okay? So simulan po natin, Live Good. This is kung paano at ano si Live Good at bakit si Live Good yung pipiliin natin na maging side hustle. Okay? So welcome to Live Good affiliate marketing presentation. So, ipakilala ko po ang aming kumpanya, no? Si Live Good is a US-based company na naka-located sa Jupiter Park, Florida, USA. Nagsimula po ang kumpanya December of 2022. And right now, magdadalawang taon pa lang po siya pero around more than 200 countries available na po yung ating kumpanya. Grabe, no? So, ito po siya. So, first distribution center sa US but right now we have also in Germany. Operational na po yan. And soon, we are so excited here in Philippines, no, kasi magkakaroon din po tayo here sa Pilipinas, sa India, sa Brazil at sa Kazakhstan. So grabe, we are so excited, no, sa mga distribution center natin. Ngayon, before you start or before you're doing the business, kailangan kilala mo yung mga may-ari. So meet our management team, no? So Ben Glinsky, our CEO, 20 years of experience, no, sa ating nutritional supplement industry. Grabing experience, no? Yung sa director of ano natin sa network marketing naman natin is si Sir Noder Gazan, no? So icon in the world of business. And when it comes to our product development director, Dr. Ryan Goodkin naman yung ating sa product development, no, doctorate in pharmacy. Together with our Director of Product Education, so Dr. Lisa Goodkin naman po yan. Ito, master's degree naman, so sa physiology. Kaya pag nakita mo, yung kanilang expertise talaga is kinombine together to form a powerhouse management team. Grabe, no? So ngayon, we have two goals here in Live Good, no? To help you get healthy and stay healthy at the highest quality nutritional supplement and to help you make money easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So grabe, no? So grabe yung mga goals natin. So ngayon, eto milestone, ano nangyari kay Livegood within 2 years, no? So si Livegood paid out $50 million in commission in 2023. 2023 alone, ganyan na po kalaki ang binayaran ni Livegood when it comes to commission. Kaya talagang may magandang nangyayari together with our management team. And magdadalawang taon pa lang po tayo. We are about to have 1.5 million members across the world. 214 countries. Grabe. Ganyang karami na ang subscribers and members ni Live Good Business. And tingnan mo yung global ranking. Naglalaro-laro na lang ang ranking niya, no? So, US, China, Canada, Korea, Philippines, Sweden, Australia, UK, Kazakhstan, Taiwan, and Spain. So yan po yung mga global ranking natin. Ngayon, ano ba yung mission ni Live Good, no? So as you can see here, what's the mission of Live Good is very simple, no? To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Magiging healthy ka nang hindi ka gumagastos ng malaki. Ayan. So ngayon, we're done with the company. Let's proceed on the products. Ano ba meron sa produkto ni Live Good? So right now, we are starting in the vitamins and supplement. But soon, lahat ng kakailanganin mo is meron po kay Live Good. So we will be having the crypto, we have the anything, no, yung sa household. So lahat ng kailangan mo is magkakaroon po kay Live Good. But right now, we're starting in vitamins. The product is made in the US. Then ano ba tong mga certification na meron kay Live Good? No, meron tayong tinatawag na GMP or yung Good Manufacturing Practice. No, it is a system ensuring that the products are consistently produced and controlled according to the highest quality products. No, GMP approved. No, less human intervention. Ano naman yung NSF? No, yung National Sanitation Foundation. Etong certification naman certifies that each batch of dietary supplements it certifies does not contain unsafe level of contaminants, prohibited substances, or masking. No? So rest assured talagang high quality. Ano naman yung USDA approval natin or certification? Ito namang United States Department of Agriculture. Ito naman organic certification indicates that a product has been grown and manufactured in a sustainable and safe way. It is a powerful way to set your product apart from competitors. Kaya itong highest form of certification, meron po lahat kay Live Good. And not only that, 20 plus combined certification ang sinama pa sa mga produkto ni Live Good. Kaya rest assured the quality of the product is talagang high quality products po. Ngayon, tignan niyo po yung mga produkto. No? Not only that, we will also have the third-party analysis. Ibig sabihin nito, there is a certificate of analysis coming from a third-party company. Tested for purity and potency po. No? So, guarantee of quality and safety with its analytical results demonstrates that the products meet an established specification. So, ganyan po kalupit ang mga certification ng produkto po natin kay Live Good. Ngayon, not only that, the company offers a 90 days money back guarantee. So 90 days, 3 months, if you don't like or hindi mo nagustuhan yung mga products ni Live Good, so you can return back the empty bottle at i-refund po sa inyo yung inyong binayad kay Live Good. Okay po? So yun po yung grabe yung mga produkto natin from the purest natural ingredients harvested from some of the most pristine location on the planet, come up with a world-class high quality products ni Live Good. Okay po? So ngayon, bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea ano ba yung meron sa mga produkto. Organic and natural. Ito yung top 4 na paborito ko kay Live Good products. Number 1 is the super green. No? From the word itself, green. Green ingredients. Benefit nito, immune protection, energy recovery, stress support, digestive health, and detox. So ito, meron ditong chlorella, barley, dulse, dandelion leaf, moringa, aloe vera, ang dami po nitong ingredients. So, ito ang testimonials ko dito, ito yung nag-regulate ng bowel movement ko, no? Dati kasi constipated po ako, 3 to 4 days bago ako magdumumi. But when I drink this juice, no, itong super green, ihahalo mo lang sa 1 glass of water, grabe, it regulates my bowel movement every day in the morning. Talagang ang sarap nung pagdumi ko. So nagdi-detox to, nililinis ang katawan at nilalabas po niya. So ganyan po kaganda yung ating super green. So benefits, no? Kapag member ka, discounted ka up to 75%, no? As you can see here, you save 74% and 81% compared sa leading competitor natin. Grabing savings to, no? Pangalawang produkto, ito love na love ko din to, Super Reds, no? Ito namang Super Reds, mga red berries naman po ito, no? Ito for the cardio, for the heart, no? And for the blood circulation, sexual health, no? And brain and cognitive functions. So ito naman, mayaman naman po to sa tinatawag natin na nitric oxide. Ano naman ibig sabihin ng nitric oxide? Ito naman yung responsible doon sa sa daluyan ng dugo natin, no? Yung mga bara-bara tinatanggal niyan pag mayaman ka sa nitric oxide. Kaya ang maganda mataas, no, yung nitric oxide nitong Super Reds. Kaya rest assure magiging maganda yung daluyan ng iyong dugo sa katawan. Grabe, no? So as you can see here, you save 74% and 54% sa existing competitor natin. So that's the benefits, no? You save and at the same time you are getting healthy. Sino gusto ng organic at nagiging healthy ka at nakaka-save ka ng malaki? Only in Live Good. Ayan, pangatlong produkto, ito lahat gusto at lahat is almost nagtitake. The multivitamins, no, sabi nga nila, kailangan mo ng 9 na plato or bandehadong gulay at prutas para maging healthy ka. So if you don't afford, you can supply with a supplement or yung mga multivitamins natin. Ito naman, 24 vitamins and minerals, immune and cardio support, and promotes healthy aging. So as you can see here, $10, you save 78% and 65% sa mga competitors. Kaya if you're looking for organic and natural products, go for Live Good. Okay? So, and pang-apat, ito, napaka-amazing products. We have the Ultra Magnesium Complex. Ito naman for muscle, nerve, and energy support. It support 300 plus enzyme reactions and for sleep support and most bioavailable magnesium. So if hirap kang makatulog, so go for magnesium complex, no? Ang maganda rito, very affordable and yet high quality products, no? $895, you save 68% and 69% sa mga leading competitors natin. And diniscuss ko lang yung apat na favorite kong mga products na organic kay Live Good. But ang dami po natin mga produkto for the slimming. We have the lean. We also have the aminos. We have CBD oils and collagen. We also have the methylene blue and instant youth ageless serum. We also have hydration amplifier. So marami po tayong mga produkto and mga bundles dito kay Live Good. So ito all organic and natural and rest assure high quality products po. Okay? So visit lang po sa website para makita niyo po yung different products na meron po kay Live Good. And as you can see here, ang daming life-changing product testimonials na nakatulong si Live Good, no? Around the world po 'yan. And not only that, this is a life-changing product users around the world. Siyempre kasama din yung grupo ko diyan and yung ating mga trainers, no, around the world. Ayan po siya. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin, we're done with the company, we're done with the products. Pag-usapan naman natin yung business model, no? Pag-usapan natin yung subscription. So, ito yung third benefits na makukuha mo kay Live Good, which is the side hustle, no? Pwede mo 'tong gawin, gamit lang ang cellphone mo tsaka internet, no? Kung anong ginagawa mo ngayon, pwede mong isabay si Live Good. Bakit? Dahil sa business model concept na tinatawag na subscription. So I think you're familiar with the subscription. You are subscribing every month or every year in exchange of the products and services na meron. Okay? So para mas maging familiar ka sa subscription, familiar ka sa SNR, Landers, Gold Fitness First, Netflix, no, Costco. Nagbabayad ka diyan monthly or per year, magkano, no? Per year and or per month para doon sa services niya. So bakit naman subscription company ang model ni Live Good? Kasi ito po yung mga trending and top performing company sa ngayon. So as you can see here, sa Netflix, grabe yung income, no? Noong 2023, 33 billion. Si Costco, ganun din, 4.5 billion ang revenue for 2023. And again, this company offers amazing products. Same thing with Live Good, but another one Live Good is offering the income potentials. Dito sa mga company na ito, magaganda pero puro palabas yung pera mo. Tama ba? Wala kang income. Yes, you're paying for the Netflix, no? For the movie. Pero walang bumabalik sa'yo. You are paying Gold's Gym to get their equipment para magamit mo yung equipment nila to stay fit. Pero wala kang income. SNR para makapag-shopping pero wala ka pa ring income. Pero paano kung sasabihin ko sa'yo na may isang kumpanya like Live Good na may products, na may service, and at the same time may income. May excite ka ba? Or gusto mong malaman kung paano? Tapusin niyo po itong ating pinag-uusapan. Live Good offers not only the products and service but they offer a side hustle income na pwede mong isabay sa ginagawa mo po ngayon. Dito kay Live Good, pwede kang consumer, pwede kang member, pwede kang affiliate, pwede kang part owner, pwede kang shareholder. Mamaya malalaman ko paano, kaya may excite ka dito. Ngayon, paano mag-subscribe? Ito, magandang tanong ng mga kasama natin. You have three options, mga kapatid, no? Three options. So number one option, ito yung recommendation ko, recommended ko to. Go for yearly para isang taon subscribe ka. Kasali ka kay Live Good, no? Ang maganda rito, you save $20. So instead of 12 months, 10 months lang yung babayaran mo. So one-time payment lang to na $40 tapos yung yearly mo dapat $10 yan. So naka-discount ka ng $20. All in all, $140 lang po ang babayaran mo. Nasa 8,000 pesos lang yan. Isang taon ka ng member at kasali kay Live Good. You enjoy the lifetime access, the discount, the savings, and the income potentials. Okay? So if another option number 2, you can go on monthly, no? Monthly, one-time payment pa din ng $40 tapos magma-monthly ka lang ng $9.95 or yun nga, 560 pesos. So ito, ang initial capital mo lang dito 3,000 pesos tapos magma-monthly ka lang ng $10 or 560 pesos. kasali ka na rin sa Live Good business. And syempre, option number 3, if you want to try first the products and enjoy the discount, ito discount lang, option number 3. You can start at $10. So $10 lang simula mo, 560 pesos, tapos magma-monthly ka lang ng $10 din. You enjoy the discount na ng mga Live Good products natin. So pili ka lang dyan sa 3 options, pero I do suggest and recommended option number 1 is the best. If you're looking for value for money, go for option number 1. Okay? So ngayon, ang tanong sa akin, Sir Randy, anong makukuha mo pag sali mo kay Live Good? So number 1, lifetime access, exclusive access sa Live Good business, up to 75% off or discount on all the products. Ngayon, 6 na website kasama doon sa binayaran mong 3,000 pesos. Ano ba tong mga website na ito? Number 1 is the corporate site, no? Pag o-order ka, dropshipping tayo. All you have to do, punta ka lang sa corporate site mo, add to cart ka doon, company nang bahalang mag-deliver ng order mo sa bahay mo. Okay, second website is the retail site. Ito naman, may mga kaibigan ka, gustong bumili, hindi sila member, kaibigan mo. Ibigay mo lang yung retail site mo. Again, parang may sarili kang Lazada and Shopee, no? Mag-add to cart lang sila diyan. Ang maganda rito, magbabayad sila sa website. Company nang bahalang mag-pack, company nang bahalang mag-deliver sa bahay nila. Company na po ang bahala sa payment arrangement natin. Ang matatanggap mo na lang is commission. Grabe, no? Grabe yung mga website natin. Pangatlo, ito nakakatuwa, yung Powerline landing page natin. Paano naman tong Powerline landing page? Ito nakakatuwa dito. Kahit busy ka, meron kang website na nag-e-explain ng business. For example, you have a prospect or client abroad. All you have to do is send the landing page. Siya na po ang mag-e-explain ng business. May 6 minutes dito na video na nag-e-explain ng ating business. Pag nagustuhan niya, may registration pa rito. Mag-fill up siya dyan. Meron siyang debit card or credit card. Pag nagustuhan niya, pwede na siyang mag-member and automatic member mo na po siya under your organization. Galing, no? Galing ng ating Powerline landing page. Pang-apat na website, we have the product pages. Sir Randy, busy ako. Paano ko i-explain yung mga products? So, worry no more kasi meron tayong mga product website na tinatawag. Ito yung nag-e-explain ng mga products natin. We have the Super Reds, we have the Super Green, and also we have the Magnesium Complex. Yung video na nag-e-explain for you. You just send the link to your prospect at meron na pong nag-e-explain ng ating mga produkto. Ang galing, no? Panglima would be our Live Good Clinic. Ito, right now, open pa lang to sa US. No? Ito naman yung mga prescription drugs natin, meron na rin po tayo sa ating company. No? But right now, it's open still, open pa lang sa US territory natin. And ang pang-anim, ito nakaka-excite, bagong open na website natin. No? Yung tinatawag nating may free health report site. Ito, free assessment, free online check-up. No? All you have to do is send your link. Tapos, meron na silang free assessment. For the info ng mga nakakapakinig, yung online health check-up po, it will cost you 500 to 1,000 pesos for a 20 minutes na check-up online sa Pilipinas, sa Philippine settings. Pero kay Live Good, value for money, it's totally free. Led by our Dr. Ryan Goodkin and a group of medical practitioners po sa US. Kaya sobrang blessed. Dito pa lang sa website na to, value for money, 3,000 pesos is sobrang value. If you're looking for this, value for money, go for Live Good. Pag nagpagawa po kayo ng website na ito, itong 6, it will cost you 100 to 50 to 100,000 pesos. Kaya sobrang value for money po pagsali nyo kay Live Good. Next, you have the drop shipping. So since may mga link ka, dito na lang o-order. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-on hand kasi meron kang link. Pag order nila, company nang bahalang mag-pack, mag-deliver sa kanila at yung payment system, si Live Good na po ang bahala. And syempre, free trainings, no? May mga free trainings tayo dito kay Live Good. At syempre, yung pinakahuli is yung ating community, yung ating Magnite Alliance community. Dito nagtutulungan po tayo how to start the business. Ayan. So, right now, sa community natin sa Magnite Alliance, meron tayong mga programs. So, dalawang program dyan is yung ating Build Your Business program. No? This is a 15 days program, no? Na i-guide ka step by step. And also, we have the DMPA, yung ating Don Chris Mentoring Program Academy. This is a 21 days program, no? Na mag-guide sa inyo pag nagsimula po kayo sa ating business. Okay? So, ngayon, we're done with the business concept. explain ko lang ng mabilis kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng side hustle. Okay ba yon? So this is a 7 ways of earnings. Uh, ikaw na lang ang mag-decide kung saan ka magfo-focus. Okay? So napakaraming ways of earnings. Ikaw na lang po kung saan kang forte mo. Number one would be the retail. Ayan, wait lang po. Yung ating tinatawag na retail commission, no? Ito naman, dahil member ka kay Livegood, discounted ka, no? So there is a 50% nung SRP tsaka member price, yun po yung kinikita mo dito kay Livegood. So pwede ka magbenta-benta. Okay? So ayan siya. Pangalawang kitaan is the influencer bonus, no? Karugtong to ng retail commission. Ito naman, pag na-hit mo yung target, additional commission ka. So ang target every month is $2,500. Pag na-hit mo yan, additional 10% doon sa 50% mo na commission sa retail. So magiging 60% na yan pag na-hit mo yung target na $2,500 every month. Grabe, no? Kung mahilig ka talaga magbenta, may dalawang way of earnings ka dito, no? Yung ating influencer bonus and the retail commission. Okay. So pangatlong kitaan would be papasok na tayo sa subscription, no, yung mga referral program natin na tinatawag. So sabi ni Livegood, magre-refer ka dahil referral program ito, affiliate marketing. Every time you refer, the company will give you 50% of $50. So $25 po 'yan. Magkano po sa peso? Nasa 1,400 pesos sa bawat mai-invite mo na sumali kay Livegood. Ang maganda rito, may mga speakers po tayo nag-explain. So all you have to do is set appointment, no? Spread the good news about being healthy at mga affordable and organic na produkto ni Livegood. And lahat ng mapapasali mo, you will get $25. Magkano yan, no? For 1,400. Kung may 10 kayo, di 14,000 pesos. Again, ito, weekly fast start, malalim po ito. Yung direct mo, $25. Pero within your organization, habang napopromote yung rank mo, na-unlock mo yung per level. Kahit hindi mo na-invite, meron ka pa rin mga commissions. No? Second level mo, may 10% ka pa dyan. Third level, may 5%. Hanggang fourth level. Hanggang 10th level yan. So can you imagine guys, hindi mo nakakilala as long as nasa organization mo and meron kang rank, you're getting commission sa mga sumasali under your organization. Okay po, so ganyan po kaganda ang ating weekly fast start commission. Weekly, every Thursday of next week, natatanggap po yung commission mo sa account mo. Okay? So yan, that is the weekly fast start. Number 4, customer acquisition bonus. Ito naman, doon sa mga sumali sa organization mo, no? Pagsali nila, may weekly fast start ka. Pag umorder sila ng mga products, meron kang acquisition bonus na tinatawag. 10%, yung unang order nila, 10%, meron ka pa rin kinikita. Hanggang 10 levels depending on your rank. Grabe to, no? Nag-member, may income. Bumili yung member mo, may income ka pa rin. Nagbenta ka, may income ka pa rin. So, ang daming source of income dito kay Livegood. Mamili ka lang kung anong gusto mo. Okay po? So, panglima, ito, may matrix commission pa tayo. Ito nakakatuwa, no? Dahil subscription tayo, bibigyan ka ng company ng matrix or yung iyong organization. Okay? So, lahat ng nasa tao mo under your matrix or organization, saan galing yan, Sir Randy? Pwedeng galing sa'yo, direct mo, or pwedeng spill over. Galing sa taas, no? Yung sa mga organization mo sa taas, ilalagay yan sa mga taong wala pang laman o sa ilalim, sa baba. So, pwedeng galing sa'yo, pwedeng galing sa taas o yung spillover. Lahat ng tao na yan na nagsasubscribe every month may binabalik sa'yo ang kumpanya na rebate. Magkano? 0.25 cents dollar. Or in peso, 14 pesos every month na nakasubscribe sila. Ang galing, no? So, dito may binabalik. So, parang pag kinumpare mo dun sa dati mong subscription, for example, sa internet mo, wala namang binabalik sa'yo eh. Pero kay Livegood, 14 pesos kada buwan sa kada tao na meron ka sa matrix mo. Kung 10 yan, edi may 140 pesos ka. Yung 10 nag-invite, hindi mo nakakilala, edi nag-20 next month. Edi meron kang 280 pesos. Yung 20, nag-invite na tigi-isa, 40. Edi meron ka ng 560. Bawi ka na every month. Kahit hindi mo kakilala, basta nasa organization mo at nagsasubscribe monthly umaandar ang matrix commission mo. Okay, no? Ganun kaganda yung matrix commission natin. Okay? So, next would be yung pinaka-favorite ko, yung susunod rito, no? Yung tinatawag nating, ayan, no? So, etong matrix commission, every month yan, matching bonus. This isa sa pinakamalaking source of income natin kay LiveGood, no? Ano naman tong matching bonus? Napakasimple. Sabi ng company, kung sino yung mga na-direct mo or in-invite mo, lahat ng income nila every month sa Matrix, bibigyan, dahil ikaw ang reason kung bakit sila nandito, the company will give you 50% of their income sa kanilang Matrix. Kung meron ka dyang 5, for example, ikaw po, na-invite mo ko, kumita po ako ng 500 every month sa Matrix ko, may 250 ka. Yung isa mong na-invite, nag-300 every month, may 150 ka. Basta lahat ng kinikita ng direct mo every month sa Matrix, meron kang matching bonus na 50% doon. Kaya dito paramihan ng mga gustong tulungan maging healthy, gustong maka-discount at gusto ng side hustle. Pag natulungan mo sila magkaroon ng business at maging healthy, meron kang 50% sa lahat ng production po nila. Galing, no? So dito fair business. Kahit walang nauna, walang nahuli, for as long sino man nag-e-effort at sino nagseseryoso, lahat ng direct mo, meron kang 50% na matching bonus. Okay? And the next would be the diamond bonus pool, no? Yung ating tinatawag na crown diamond and diamond bonus pool. Ito, parang pensyonado ka na. Kasi kapag na-hit mo yung diamond rank, meron tinatawag na kasama ka na sa diamond bonus pool. No? So 2% ng total sales ng buong kumpanya every month, pinaghahatian po lahat ng diamond. So same thing with our crown diamond, no? 0.5% pinaghahatian po yan ng mga crown diamond na meron po sa atin. So grabe yan, pensyonado ka na, every month meron kang pension. Total sales kasi ng buong kumpanya yan. Kaya lahat gusto mahit ang diamond. Okay? So ito naman, pakita ko lang yung mga example ng mga earnings natin. This is not to brag but to give us inspiration. No, ito kinikita ng gold and platinum. Ayan, grabe. And ito naman po yung one of our diamond, no? For 3 months, accumulated of 1 million pesos ng kinita. And syempre, pakita rin natin yung crown diamond, magkano kinikita para to inspire us, no? 1 month, 4.5 million pesos in just 1 month. So, para makita lang natin ano ba yung mga earnings, no, na pwede nating mapuntahan or patutunguhan natin pag sineryoso natin si Live Good. Okay? So again, is Live Good a good opportunity? Good opportunity po kaya siya? Ayan. So as you can see here, no, it's not. Because Live Good is the best and perfect opportunity for you. This is a business for home. Ginradan po siya ng AAA opportunity for 2024. Anong ibig sabihin nun? AAA Business for Home recommends the company. There is a high certainty that the net benefit is substantial for a distributor. So salamat po sa Business for Home sa mga citation po ninyo. And dito po sa ginagawa nating Live Good Business, if you're looking for health, if you're looking for savings, and if you're looking for income, this is the value that we are giving here in Live Good Business. Kaya maraming salamat. If pag narinig mo ito, balikan nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo kay Live Good at tara po, pagtulungan po natin ang napakagandang opportunity online. Again, this is online. 200 countries around the world pwedeng gawin si Live Good. Again, I'm sending this message. If your mind is a magnet, if you're looking for a blessing, you attract blessing. If you think of a problems, you attract problems. Always be positive or cultivate good thoughts and always remain positive and optimistic. Gusto ko lang i-share yung aking deepest why, yung aking dream board, no. Ito yung kung bakit pinaghuhusayan si Live Good, no. Ito yung aking mga inspiration sa buhay, and it reminds us na be inspired palagi, no, sa mga ginagawa natin. And above all, lagi nating isama si Lord sa ating ginagawa. That's why I'm sending this verse, one of my favorite verse from Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. Yung plano ni Lord is napakaganda para sa atin. Proper timing lang po at ibibigay po yung mga gusto natin sa buhay. Okay po, again, maraming salamat sa mga kasama natin sa Zoom at sa FB Live, no, late presentation to accommodate our OFW. Again, maraming salamat po and have a blessed day to everyone, no. Sana po nakapagbigay ako ng value sa ating lahat. And salamat and God bless everyone. Thank you po.